Hi, and welcome to day 20. And that means I've been almost 3 weeks of doing this every single day. Today, I was reading something in the Tiny Experiments book by Anne-Laurie LeConte. It said something about cognitive script. And these are things that we automatically create for ourselves. Our brains seem to be wired to do this naturally, to make things easier for us. Like if we have a routine she suggests going to the doctor, we have a typical pattern of expectations that we have for going to the doctor. When I do my bedtime routine, for instance, I also have a little script that I follow. Having these scripts, there's nothing wrong with that. They do save some time. You are following something, it's predictable. You have a routine that you follow. You can save yourself in terms of habits. There's a certainty about it that is comforting. But the bad thing that could happen from that is that we could be limiting the possibility of other things happening. So when we do that, it's like putting blinders on us. We see it from that perspective and only that perspective. And perhaps we are limiting our experience and what we could be possibly doing if we had a different script, or if we had a script that could change periodically. Maybe perhaps a review system that allowed us to think about how things have been going and what might also be possible. That little reading that I did this morning has stuck with me for a few hours now, of thinking what I might be avoiding or missing out on because I was comforting myself by developing a cognitive script. And, I thought that was a good thing. And I have devoted a lot of my time to thinking about systems and routines. And they are good things, but they should not be the end of everything. They should be one solution, one possibility. And there are many other possibilities. So the experiments, which is making videos every day was an experiment for me. The experiments of living and life, that is where we can learn something from that. We can examine what we've been doing and decide whether it really works or not. And maybe it worked for a time and I'm in a different phase. So I hope that information is useful for you as well. And if you do find that useful, like and subscribe. That would be great. And see you tomorrow.